Hello, and welcome to Game Day Math. Game Day Math is an approachable betting platform with features for beginners as well as advanced bettors. Let's take a quick tour through the major features of the platform. The picks page has a collection of best available picks from the sportsbooks you selected when you signed up. By default, picks from all sports are shown. You can easily filter to a specific sport or sportbook using the drop-downs in the top right. Game Day Math's proprietary AI engine highlights the best available bets. Things can change fast on this screen. That's because picks are constantly updating based on real-time changes in the odds. The last column is very important. It shows the bet score. Think of this like a test grade, where above 90 is amazing, 80 to 89 is excellent, 75 to 79 is good, and 70 to 74 is decent. Be on the lookout for high bet score picks. For more advanced bettors, Game Day Math features an odds dashboard. Live games are shown on top, and upcoming games are shown below. Odds from your selected sportsbook are shown on the right. You can easily switch between moneyline, spread, and total using the links at the top. Switch sports using the drop-down in the top right. Just to the right of the team names are the Game Day Math special columns. The Euclid EV helps to identify profitable bets. Nostradamus Novig projects what the line should be. Hover over to see Novig alternate lines. Best Line automatically compares different totals and point spreads. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to use the contact button on the top of the screen.